The Watervliet Arsenal, located in Albany, New York, has long been the sole producer of cannon tubes for the U.S. Army, playing a critical role in supplying components for artillery systems such as the M1 Abrams tank, the M109 Paladin self-propelled howitzer, and the M777 lightweight howitzer. Recently, the Arsenal has undergone a remarkable transformation, tripling its production output in just 3 years, a feat not seen in over 4 decades. This surge in production comes in response to a significant increase in demand for artillery equipment, driven largely by U.S. military support to Ukraine following the Russian invasion. The M777, which has been deployed extensively on the battlefield, has proven to be a highly effective tool, exceeding expectations in both performance and longevity despite its high rate of fire. The need for artillery has grown exponentially since the onset of the conflict in 2022, putting immense pressure on the Watervliet Arsenal to ramp up production. To meet these challenges, the U.S. Army has modernized the facility's manufacturing processes and optimized its production capacity. But with the Arsenal being the only source for cannon tubes, this dependence has raised concerns about the risks of potential disruptions. To address this, the Army has sought to diversify its production sources. In 2023, requests for information were issued to companies worldwide, inviting them to develop the ability to produce the M777 and M109 cannon tubes. With access to the necessary technical data, these companies could be operational within 12 to 18 months. However, producing these specialized components requires significant expertise and infrastructure, which may take time to develop. Meanwhile, the Watervliet Arsenal is not standing still. Investments in infrastructure modernization and process improvements are helping to boost its capacity and meet future demands. By combining these efforts with the development of alternative manufacturing solutions, the Army is ensuring a more resilient and adaptable defense industrial base. The conflict in Ukraine has underscored the importance of a robust and flexible defense manufacturing system. The 155mm howitzers at the heart of modern artillery capabilities have proven their strategic value, and the U.S. Army's commitment to expanding its production capacity, diversifying its sources, and investing in future readiness positions the military to meet the strategic demands of an ever-changing global landscape. Watervliet Arsenal represents both the history and future of U.S. defense manufacturing. By embracing technological modernization, diversifying production sources, and committing to long-term resilience, it is ready to face the challenges of the 21st century. The U.S. Army is ensuring that its artillery forces remain powerful and prepared, no matter what the future holds.